Kayla Matthews with Remax, and this week on Exploring 285, we're here at Fun and Funky Art Gallery, where they bring local artists together so you can do one-stop shopping. Let's go check it out. So what's the best way to find the Fun and Funky Art Galleries? Well, their location number 1 is located next to the iconic Coney Island hot dog. Hi everyone, we're here at location number 2 for Fun and Funky Art Galleries, located next to the post office. Let's go check it out. Coming soon, location number 2 will be offering a space for local classes and workshops, so be sure to look out for their events. So come on down to Bailey, Colorado. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And remember, smiles are contagious. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And remember, smiles are contagious. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And remember, smiles are contagious. Thanks for watching.